Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Trello for beginners. So first, just go to any web browser, type Trello, and then click the very first link that you can see here. Sign up for free, tap the sign up for free button, and it will take you directly to their homepage or website. Now you have options here on how to sign up, but the easiest way to sign up for me is through Google account. And this is Trello. So you can see here boards, templates, and home. So if you want to start with the board right here, all you have to do is to click board and then tap this create button. You will see different templates right here that you can use, depends on the category that you choose. So here is my workspace, and you can see here boards, highlights, views, members, settings. But this time, let's focus on how to create a board. So all you have to do is click board, create new, and then look for its specific template. Choose your visibility here, private, public, and this is what it looks like. So suppose that we're going to create a project here for our YouTube channel. So this to do, doing, done, these are the list that can help you organize your flow or categorize tasks. Now you can edit it by tapping. So I'm going to change this. For example, this one is video or video editing, and then script writing, and so on. So as you can see, I have changed my list right here. So these are the tasks that we need to do. Now, if you want to add description per task or per list, all you have to do is to click add card. Now, since you are creating or building a channel or project and you want to add members right here, all you have to do is to click members and then add their email address right here. And if you want to change some things or information, you can go to settings. And then if you want to change the view like calendar or table view, everything is up to you. And then now let's go back to our board here in Trello. Okay, so I will be adding some cards right here, and I will add some information or description. So to add that, you just have to click this add a card right here, enter some description and information. To add it more, just click the pencil icon and it will take you directly to this. So you can add description. Now, to add a more detailed description or information, you can tap at this options and features on the right side like join. If you want to include yourself, members, if you want to add someone, labels, if you want to label each of the card right here. For example, this card is in progress. Okay, so you can just simply add in progress and then choose that color right here. You can also add another label. For example, you want other label like other color, something like that. For example, you wanted to add urgent and you want to set the color into red so that it also symbolizes urgency, something like that. Okay, so that's all for labels. Now, the next we have here is checklist. You can add checklist right here. And also for dates, for example, if you want to set a deadline, okay, just tap this one. It will appear it right here that they need to submit this on this 24th of November. And then you can also add some files by pasting or upload file, change the cover, tapping this one. You can use your own cover photo or from their gallery. Okay, and this is what it looks like. There are also other features here that you can add, like custom fields, add power apps, button, move, copy, make a template, archive, and share. But basically, this is what it looks like. Okay, so if you want to add more description, and if you want to edit the format, you just have to highlight, and then there are some things that you can tap here, like bold, italic. You can add image or you can insert link, something like that. After that, tap save. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And if you tap the share icon below, then you can share to someone. You can copy the link and share or send this to their email address. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to use Trello for beginners. And I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.